Well, my high beam only works. That was my high beam, sorry. So here's the left side, right side. So it goes from orange to white again, right? Cancel goes back to light. So this, I mean, one, we're talking about safety here. Safety, safety, safety. I mean, that's huge. Only because, look at that. Yeah, those are my hazards. Only because, dude, you gotta make yourself visible when you're out there. So, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this one here on the left. Take my flathead, find a little divot that's in there. Quick, easy little pop. What I'm gonna do is, because this thing came in a box, I'm just storing the old bulbs and lenses in the box to keep them safe and protected, and then stick it in my little area where I have all my Harley parts. So let's move this back in so you guys can see the installation of the next one here. So remember, you have a little end that gets inserted and turned to the left or to the right to lock in place. And you got these low profile LED lights. There's a lot of companies right now online who are who make LED lights. So anyway, hold on, I digress. Bulb in turn, 1/16 of a turn. There you go. Little dielectric grease on here. I'll just go ahead and pass it over to the other one. Share their babas. You guys know what babas are? I do. All right, now I just got to find the area where it goes in. Stick it in there. Okay, easy as that. I'll get my other lens ready. There you go. And so I'm sweating like a damn pig right now inside the garage. One, because I don't want my dog in here walking around. Two, I have people yelling at me from the house, which is going to interrupt the video. So, a little sweatshop, as you will. All right, so remember, inside, curl. Go ahead and just fold it around so it gets in there. Get as close to the base of that plug as you can. And I'm going to take my new lens here. Okay, so Rogue Rider Industries makes three different types of lenses. They have a clear lens, they have a light smoke, and then they have a dark smoke. And so I went with light smoke. Okay, there it is. Easy as that. It's on. I mean, you can see the LED in there, which is not a big deal. I mean, you know, that adds to the magnificence of it. And here's a good thing about Sport Glides. Sport Glides automatically, and I think from 2017 on up, definitely your CVOs, Street Glides, your Road Kings, I believe majority of them all have LED headlights. Maybe it's 2018 and up, but I know for the Sport Glides, because they came out in 18, they all have front LED lights, which is great. I don't have to change it out. So let's go ahead and move you guys back just a little bit. All right. By the way, I want to thank my daughter for allowing me to use her camera light here, where there has been many of TikTok videos. And why are you using my light? Oh my God, you're gonna break it. All right, so here you go. Both lights in. The heck? Ah, there it is. There, look at that. Beautiful. So right, left. All right, and then the hazards. There it is. There it is right there. All right, guys. So there's your rundown of the Rogue Rider Industries install lights. I love them. I ain't going to be able to use them. for a while. Hopefully December, when this thing actually gets taken back out on the street. And, you know, when you get pretty much ankle reconstruction from years and years of being an awesome dude, Marine Corps, 15 years with the fire department, 8 years with the Marine Corps, deployments and training and snowboarding and dirt bike riding. I mean, your shit wears down. I'm 41 years old. Hey, this body ain't getting younger, but cut the tendon, cut everything up, flayed it open, fix it, sewed it. Boom. I'll be like new in February, hopefully. But Rogue Rider Industries, freaking, I'm happy with them. Should have got the rear lights. Damn it. Anyways, guys, this is Mitch. Smoking Sots, Tacos, and Barbecue coming back at you. I am here to fulfill your every viewing pleasure. Now it's my time to make videos. All right, guys. See you later. Bye.